Hi guys, I'm Nora. I'm Japanese and live in the UK. Continuing from previous video, this time we will also introduce two Japanese dishes using soup base. Please see the previous video for the basic usage of soup base and how to make Japanese style carbonara. This time, I will use chicken for both. The first is the typical Japanese food, oyakodon. The egg and it go very well together. The other is a dish using curry powder. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Cooked rice. I use a rice cooker. But if you want to cook rice in a pot, please search. In the meantime, prepare toppings. Chop the spring onion and prepare some Italian parsley leaves. Slice the onion and cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. To beat eggs. Heat the oil in the frying pan. Fry the onions until clear. Add the chicken. Fry until the surface of the chicken is white. Add sugar. Add soup base. Cover and heat over low heat. After the meat is cooked, add the eggs. Stir well until it's as firm as you like. When the egg has set to the desired hardness, add spring Place it on top of the cooked rice and place the Italian parsley on it. Here are the ingredients. Cut chicken into large bite-sized pieces. Put the chicken in the clean bag. Mix soup base, yogurt, keep in the refrigerator for half a day to a day. Heat the oil in the frying pan and fry the chicken. When it's cooked to the middle, the dinner on this day is like this. Thank you for watching until the end. If you have any Japanese seasoning that you would have to use, please let me know in the comments. And please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you next time. Have a lovely day.